Okay, now we're going to have a closer look at the nautical sextant. Look at its component parts and how it works. What does it do? Well, it's simply an instrument for measuring the angles between any 2 points, or more specifically, for our use in celestial navigation, it is used to measure the vertical angle between the heavenly body that we're interested in and the visible sea horizon. How it works roughly is light enters over here, reflects off this mirror. So the light from, let's say it's the sun, reflects off there, reflects off this reflected part, the mirror part of this glass that is half silver, half glass. So light is now entered here, reflects off this mirror, then off that, and then enters your eye. This is called the index mirror. This is called the horizon glass, or horizon mirror if you like. Half silver and half glass in the sextant. This is really a blank sight tube. You can replace it with a magnified telescope, which is useful for perhaps star sights. And here we see that this index mirror is attached to this index arm, and the index arm can be released with this clamp and moved like this, or it can be fine adjusted by grabbing and turning, sorry, let's get that out the way, by turning the micrometer drum, and then you can have fine movements. So the idea would be that if we are looking, say, through the tube here, and if I'm seeing the reflection of a body, say the sun, first of all, I'll need certain shades in place, otherwise you can imagine you're going to get pretty blinded. So assuming though we have, let's make it a star, the light from the star comes through there, sorry, onto this mirror, reflects off this mirror and enters my eye. And at the same time, I'm looking through the clear part of the horizon glass, and I can see the horizon. We could pretend, for example, that that's the horizon. So if I now see that star adjusted here with the fine adjustment and quick release clamp, so that I've adjusted the star down to the horizon, then I'm effectively measuring that vertical angle or altitude between the star and the horizon, which in this case looks to be about 68 degrees and several minutes, if you like. I'm sorry, 58 degrees and several minutes. So that would be the principle, the basic principle of the use of the sextant. And what we'll do now is get into a little more detail about those parts of the sextant and how to actually use it practically.